The boys are so tired. Movie says, please don't wake me up. Dobie, let me see that pretty face. You wish you were a Doberman, huh? You got all the colors and a bobtail. And there's my little Wolverine. They got their hair cut and they're wiped out. But my groomer said they were so well behaved. She's never seen puppies so well behaved when she's grooming.